Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use all your coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I would like to mention that not all items support discounts with coins. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I open my item, and if I scroll down a little bit, I will see here line extra 1% off with coins, and that's what you need, because there are some items on AliExpress, for example this one, that does not have this line. Here, as you can see, here is nothing, and that means that for this specific item I will not be able to use my coins to get a discount. So we should always look out for items that mention extra % off with coins. So now when you found such item, you need to proceed to checkout page and then scroll down to summary section and go to saved line. So this is basically discount that used my coins, and as you can see, AliExpress automatically deducted 1 coin for this item, and that gave me this little discount. Also, if I tap here, I will see that I have option to use to select do not use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins because I want to have my discount. And as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted amount of coins for this item. And actually sellers decide themselves which amount of coins they can accept for such discounts. So if I go to this item at the top and I see that this item supports extra 5% off with coins, I will see that I have even bigger discount. So at the checkout again, I go to summary, see saved line, and you see that for this item I used 15 coins, which is really good, and my discount is even bigger. It's 15 cents. So unfortunately you cannot use all your coins on AliExpress for one item because AliExpress automatically deducts amount of coins. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.